Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. Today I'm gonna teach you that how can you say how are you in different ways. Don't always say that how are you, I'm fine. Well, there is nothing wrong to say just like this, but to expand your knowledge more, I want to share another sentences. You can also reply with different sentences. So let's see that what are these sentences. Okay, you can say that how are you doing today? I'm doing well. How is it going? Instead of speaking is it separately, you can speak all together. Zit. How's it going today? Everything is going well. And what's up? On nothing, just enjoying a day. How are you holding up? When we ask this question to other person, when the other person is facing some problems, at that time we ask, how are you holding up? So we can reply, honestly, I've been struggling a bit. And how's life treating you? How's life treating you? We can simply reply, life is treating me well. Or we can also reply in a long sentence like, life has its ups and downs, but I'm grateful for what I have. Okay? So really, it's a powerful sentence which we can reply when the other person asks, how's life treating you? So next sentence, how have you been? I've been doing well. How's your week been so far? How's your week been so far? It's been a good so far. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I'm feeling well today. And the last one, how's your day going? It's going well. So these are different sentences, different ways you can reply that how are you? I'm fine. Don't always say, okay?